Welcome to Compare to Win. The best food cutters is probably one of the most versatile and fun kitchen gadgets you can introduce to your little ones, transforming everyday meals into exciting adventures that encourage picky eaters to explore new textures and flavors with glee. Imagine turning simple sandwiches, fruits, and vegetables into playful shapes like stars, hearts, and animals, making mealtime not just a necessity but a delightful activity that fosters independence and a positive relationship with food from an early age. These cutters are designed to be safe and easy for small hands to use, promoting fine motor skills while adding a splash of color and creativity to your toddler's plate, ensuring that even the simplest snack becomes a memorable experience that sparks joy and curiosity. Number 5. Get Fresh Little Foodies Sandwich Cutter Set. Transform ordinary meals into exciting adventures with our fun sandwich and vegetable cutters. They're perfect for parties, picky eaters, and making any meal a celebration. This all-inclusive set features 5 sandwich cutters in popular shapes like dinosaurs and stars, plus 5 fruit cutters and 10 adorable food picks. It's everything you need to get creative in the kitchen. Struggling to get your kids to eat? Our cutters and decorations add an element of surprise and delight, making mealtime something they'll look forward to. Watch them ask for more. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free plastic, these cutters are designed with your child's safety in mind. They have no sharp edges and are built to last, plus they're dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Packaged in a vibrant, sturdy box, this set makes an ideal gift for birthdays or any occasion. It's a wonderful way to inspire creativity and make meal preparation a joy for both kids and parents. Beyond sandwiches, these versatile tools are great for cookies, cakes, and more. Let your child's imagination run wild with endless possibilities for fun and delicious creations. What we like? This set is ideal for children's parties and occasions. It includes sandwich cutters, vegetable cutters, and bento decorations to make food fun. If you have a picky eater or are planning a party, this all-inclusive set is a must-have for adding joy to mealtime. What people say. The shapes are adorable. My kids especially love the dinosaur and heart, and they cut through bread cleanly without squishing everything together. It's also great that they double as cutters for cheese, fruit, and even pancakes. They work easily, and they waste only very little bread, which is nice. They fit around almost the whole piece of normal loaf bread. Love all the different designs it comes with so we can use them to make cute shapes of other foods. Our son now likes to make his own using these and they are so easy to use. He looks forward to the shape he will choose for his lunch of the day. Number 4. Montessori Kitchen Toys for Toddlers, Real Cooking Set. Introducing a fun and safe way for your toddler to explore the joy of cooking. This set is designed for little hands to safely mimic real cooking activities. This comprehensive set includes a variety of tools like wooden and stainless steel knives, cutting boards, peelers, and cutters. It has everything your child needs to get creative in the kitchen. Crafted from healthy, non-toxic, and BPA-free materials like wood, stainless steel, and food-grade polypropylene, these tools are designed for safety. They are durable and won't easily break or deform. Featuring cute crocodile patterns and an ergonomic design, these tools are lightweight and comfortable to hold. They are perfect for cutting soft foods like potatoes, carrots, and bananas, stimulating your child's interest in cooking. Encourage your child's creativity and hands-on abilities as they cook alongside you. This set provides a wonderful opportunity for them to learn and imitate adult behaviors in a safe environment. Cooking together is a fantastic way to promote parent-child relationships. Let your child create their own culinary masterpieces while learning valuable life skills. What we like? This set focuses on Montessori principles, offering safe tools for toddlers to engage in real cooking activities. It includes various knives, cutters, and a cutting board made from wood and food-grade plastic. If you're looking for a way to foster independence and creativity in your child's kitchen play while ensuring safety, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The knives work very well for fruits, vegetables, and breads without feeling unsafe. The cookie cutters have been a fun bonus and are frequently used to make shapes out of cheese and cucumbers. The plastic knife set cuts soft vegetables and breads easily. He's absolutely loved cutting shapes of various foods and eating them, a great way to get a kid to try new foods that previously were not on his menu. The knives and shape cutters have been great for my toddler to begin helping in the kitchen. Number 3. Salufo 14-piece Montessori Safe Kitchen Knife Set for Kids. Introducing the Salufo 14-piece Montessori Knife Set. designed for safe and fun real cooking experiences for your little ones. It's perfect for toddlers and kids aged 3 to 12. This comprehensive set includes safe plastic knives, a wooden knife, cutting boards, a peeler, sandwich cutters, and even a little dustpan for easy cleanup. It's a complete toddler kitchen set for endless culinary adventures. Crafted from wood and food-grade materials, these knives are safe for little hands. The serrated design ensures they won't hurt, making it a fantastic Montessori toy that encourages learning through play. Looking for a unique gift? This set makes an ideal birthday or Christmas present for any child aged 3 to 12. It provides a fun and happy cooking experience, fostering creativity in the kitchen. This versatile set supports every step of the cooking process, preparing ingredients, cutting food, and even cleaning up. It's perfect for home, travel, or preschool, creating memorable moments with parents. Featuring a cute crocodile pattern and a one-piece handle design, these tools are easy for kids to use. The included dustpan helps little ones join in on the kitchen cleanup fun. What we like? This is a perfect toddler kitchen set designed for real cooking experiences, suitable for children aged 3 and up. It includes safe plastic knives, a wooden knife, cutting boards, peelers, and sandwich cutters, all made from durable, healthy materials. If you want a gift that promotes learning, creativity, and parent-child bonding through kitchen activities, this set is ideal. What people say? They are sharp enough to cut, but dull enough that they are safe for my toddler to use. The material is smooth, making it easy to clean. The set is very great material, a good strong type of plastic, and I even tried the tools to cut some fruits and it's very sturdy. The 2 cutting boards are also a great size. The peeler is actually very real feeling as well. The size was perfect for their LOL hands. TWSM. Number 2. Chanking 13 pieces kid safe knife set. This comprehensive set includes everything your little one needs for real cooking adventures. It features various knives, peelers, and cutting boards, perfect for little chefs. Our tools are specially designed with children's safety in mind. The knives have serrated edges that allow for precise cutting without any risk of injury. Ignite your child's imagination with our uniquely designed tools, like the charming crocodile patterned wooden knife. It's lightweight, safe, and encourages a love for cooking. This set is ideal for children aged 4 and up, providing hours of entertainment while developing essential skills. It's more than just a toy, it's an educational tool. These versatile tools allow children to safely mimic adult actions in the kitchen. It's a wonderful way to enhance practical skills and strengthen family bonds. Let your kids join in on the cooking fun safely. These tools are designed for real use, making meal preparation an engaging activity for the whole family. What we like? This set is specifically designed for safety, allowing children to practice cutting without risk of injury. It includes a variety of toddler-friendly tools like serrated plastic knives, a wooden knife, cutting boards, and vegetable cutters, all featuring a fun crocodile pattern. If you are looking for a safe and engaging way for children aged 4 and up to participate in real cooking and develop practical skills, this is a fantastic option. What people say? They were easy for her to use and safe as she learns how to use them. The bright, vibrant colors caught her attention immediately. The set is perfect for little hands, and the variety of tools do a great job at cutting foods without being too sharp. Number 1. LetGoShop 12 Shapes Cookie Cutter Set. Unleash your child's creativity with our 12-shape cookie cutter set. It's perfect for making fun shapes out of cookies, fruits, and vegetables. Get ready for requests to bake every day. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel with protective plastic, these cutters are designed for safe use. The simple press-down design makes baking easy and fun for everyone, even little ones. The bright, ergonomic handles ensure little fingers stay safe during use. A handy release stick is included to help remove dough easily. Please avoid inserting fingers into the handle hole. Transform everyday meals into works of art. Use these mini cutters to create adorable shapes from sandwiches, fruits, and more for stunning bento boxes. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the included brush for small crumbs. Simply remove the handles and place the cutters in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleaning. What we like? This set offers a delightful way to create edible masterpieces with 12 different shapes. Made from food-grade stainless steel with protective plastic and ergonomic safety handles, these cutters are safe and easy for little hands to use. If you want to make mealtime more exciting, turn boring foods into art, and enjoy a simple cleanup process, this is the perfect choice for baking and food art. What people say. These were really easy to use and the fruit kebabs turned out really cute. The best shapes came from the sturdier fruit, like melon and cantaloupe. Unlike the fruit pieces from the other trays, these fruit shapes were the perfect size to eat for little kids, and by skewering them, with a candy stick and not a sharp bamboo stick, they were easy and practical to eat. These cutters come in a variety of shapes and sizes, making it easy to create fun and unique vegetable shapes for your dishes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.